Hi everyone, this is LPAC Practice Test 2019, Listening Domain. Listen to a short exchange. In this task type, students listen to a recording of a short conversation between two speakers in a school context. Students then answer one question about the conversation. Here is the practice exchange. Listen to a conversation between a girl and a boy. Listen carefully, you will hear the conversation only once. After listening, you will answer a question. The girl: I love how we can mix paint together to make new colors, but when we mix red and blue paint, it's supposed to turn purple. The boy: You're right, but this still looks blue. We need to add more red paint to the bowl. This is the end of the conversation. Question 1. Why are the girl and boy going to add more paint to the bowl? A, because they want the paint to change color. B, because they do not have enough paint for their pictures. Or C, because they are following the teacher's directions. This is the end of the practice for listening to a short exchange.